Welcome back. We're continuing solving logarithmic equations. In this example, we are going to solve the equation log base 2 of x plus 2 plus log base 2 of x is equal to 3. What I notice about this equation is that I have two logarithmic expressions on the left, and I have something that's not inside a log on the right. So I'm going to be looking to get this into the form log base b of x equals y, and then I have two different options of how I can solve it. So addition outside becomes multiplication inside will help me condense. So this will become log base 2 of x plus 2 times x is equal to 3. I'm going to simplify this down and get log base 2 of x squared plus 2x is equal to 3. I'm going to solve this both ways. In this video, I'm going to look at solving using log base b of x equals y using the definition of logs. So the definition of logs says that the inside of the log x squared plus 2x is equal to the base, which is 2, raised to the other side, which was 3. So that gives me x squared plus 2x is equal to 8. Or x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I now have a quadratic function. I'm going to need to factor this quadratic function, and it factors quite nicely. My first terms need to multiply to be x squared, so that's just x and x. My last have to have opposite signs, plus and minus, multiply to be negative 8, and add to be 2. So that'll give me x plus 4, x minus 2, giving me x is equal to negative 4 and positive 2. I'm going to go through and check each of these in my problem up here. So I'm going to start with x equals 2. This gives me log base 2 of 2 plus 2 is 4, plus log base 2 of 2 is equal to 3. Log base 2 of 4, I know 2 to what exponent is equal to 4, that's 2. And 2 to what exponent is equal to 2, that's 1. I get 3 is equal to 3. That works. 2 is an answer. I'm going to check x equals negative 4 now. Log base 2 of negative 4 plus 2 is going to be negative 2, plus log base 2 of negative 4 is equal to 3. I cannot put negative numbers into a log. Log base 2 of negative 2 is saying 2 to what exponent is equal to negative 2, and this is impossible. It is nonsensical. So negative 4 is not a solution. That's why it's really important that we go back up to our first step. If I had checked that in this step, log base 2 of x squared plus 2x equals 3, I would have gotten a true statement, but it wouldn't have been correct because I can't put negative 4 in because it doesn't work with my domain. So you really, really need to make sure that you are taking caution to check that you're not putting a negative number inside your log and that we are always making true statements.